Just imagine yourself with an itchy scalp scratching your head all day and little white flakes falling on your shoulder. Awful sight, right? But fret not. It's time to say goodbye to your biggest hair enemy forever. Hi guys, मैं हूँ अंकिता और आज मैं दिखाने वाली हूँ an at-home hair care treatment for itchy scalp and dandruff. Before I get into the video, go ahead and subscribe to our BeBeautiful channel and ring the bell icon for further notifications. अब हम ये तो जानते ही है that there are numerous causes of an itchy scalp from seasonal changes to hair coloring reactions. When it starts to get colder, you may find your body, including your scalp, becomes itchier. Annoyingly, this can also happen as it gets hotter in summer and you sweat more. Visibly, you might see flakes of dandruff appearing in your hair. This can come from psoriasis or other skin conditions as well as general dryness. But with some simple changes in your hair care routine, we can definitely cure this problem. Okay, so the first step is to apply a leave-on solution. क्या आपको पता है itchy scalp और dandruff का एक common कारण है and वो है dry scalp. Reason being, dry scalp can occur when the skin on the head loses too much water or moisture. The condition can cause itching and flaking and the skin on your scalp gets irritated and flakes off. तो अगर आप itchy scalp और dandruff experience कर रहे हो, then opt for a leave-on solution जो ensure करेगा कि आपका scalp moisturized और nourished रहे. This right here has become my favorite leave-on solution. It's the Dove Hair Therapy Dry Scalp Care Leave-on Solution. इसे मैं pre-shampoo treatment की तरह लगाती हूँ. All you got to do is spray this leave-on treatment all over the hair 30 minutes before giving myself a hair wash. Then comb through your hair lightly and make sure the solution is covering every part of my hair. On some days, I also like to spray this leave-on solution a night prior. It works brilliantly as an overnight hair treatment. ये leave-on solution में ना ही sulfate है, ना ही paraben and ना ही कोई dye, which means it's going to be gentle and kind on the scalp. Plus, it works at a cellular level with moisturizing portion and nourishing ingredients that relieve scalp dryness, all thanks to niacinamide in it. Want to know more about how to tackle dry scalp? Then click on the eye icon on the top right of the screen. Next, I like to follow up with a shampoo and conditioner. Not just any shampoo and conditioner, but the one that deals with dryness. क्योंकि सच तो ये है कि certain shampoos contain ingredients like parabens that cause scalp irritation and itchiness. So I recommend using a paraben and dye-free shampoo and conditioner like this one. It's the Dove Hair Therapy Dry Scalp Care Shampoo and Conditioner. इसमें niacinamide है that has soothing anti-inflammatory properties which are helpful while tackling itching caused due to dandruff. What I love about this duo is that it tackles dryness at cellular level, which basically means the shampoo works on a deeper level by penetrating into the hair shafts and follicles. और सबसे अच्छी बात तो ये है कि it has no hair baddies like sulfates because they literally strip the hair of its natural oils, making the scalp even drier, which causes the hair to itch. Okay, so next step मैं हफ्ते में एक बार करती हूँ and that's using a scalp scrub. जैसे हम हमारी स्किन को स्क्रब करते हैं, स्कैल्प को भी स्क्रब करना जरूरी है to keep the hair healthy from the roots, as this is where your hair grows. Exfoliating your scalp removes dead skin cells, sebum, dirt and product buildup to give you a healthy scalp. If this buildup is not removed, it can cause several scalp issues like itchiness, dandruff and even excessive oil production in your scalp. तो स्कैल्प स्क्रब को बनाने के लिए you will need 2 tablespoons finely milled brown sugar which will buff away dead skin cells, 1 tablespoon coconut oil which will keep the hair moisturized, 1 tablespoon honey जिसमें है healing properties जो dandruff और itchiness से होने वाली irritation को मिटा देगा, 2 to 3 drops of rosemary essential oil which has antifungal, astringent and decongesting qualities जो oil और flakes को निकालने में मदद करेगा. इन सारे ingredients को एक bowl में mix करें and then apply it on the scalp. Leave it on for 10 minutes and then rinse it off with your shampoo followed by a conditioner. Lastly, don't scratch your scalp. Scratching is a natural reaction to an itchy scalp. मैं जानती हूँ it's quite tempting, लेकिन ये आपकी problem को और बढ़ाएगा. While it gives temporary relief, it can harm the scalp, can lead to infection and inflammation and even hair loss. So a hands-off approach is the best. So guys, I hope you liked the tips on itchy scalp and dandruff treatment at home. It's finally time to say goodbye to the itchy scalp forever. इन टिप्स को जरूर फॉलो करें and let us know if they helped you. Before you go, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our BeBeautiful channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.